Hey you guys, Sylvie here and welcome all to my simple commission formula review. So here I am on the sales page of Simple Commission Formula. This is the newest launch by David Mills, very cool guy, high quality vendor, and you know, David will be teaching you. And as I'm scrolling through the sales page, it just amazes me how transparent, honest, and well, informative this sales page is. Extremely transparent. And yeah, I've got the members area. I'm not gonna spend much time on the sales page. There's like all of the testimonials, the screenshots, the income proofs. It's all real, okay? Real deal. David Mills is a very no BS guy. And he has made around close to $500,000 from doing what he's teaching you in this training course, okay? How to do affiliate marketing in an extremely newbie-friendly way. So if you're a budding affiliate marketer, if you've been thinking of starting this side hustle, but this side hustle could blow your socks off, could really replace your job 9 to 5 or whatever. If you want to fire your boss, if you want to live the life you want to live, the way you want to live your life, it can work. It has worked for many people, but you have to stick your name, maybe not the name, but stick the head in the game and do it with consistency and persistency. So, without further ado, let's jumpstart into the training course, into the members area. I'll show you all of the modules you will find in this training course. You see, this is David. You know, he's so straight to the point. I remember when I was starting 4 years ago, okay? And what I do to make money online is really what David teaches you in this training course as well. So my training course will be similar to this one that I'm, thinking of launching soon, okay? I'm in no rush because, I want quality and I also want results and I want to, it's going to be a different story. But what I do is very similar to what David does, okay? And it was very, cool for me to go through the videos. I've completed watching it, as you can see, and I've just completed watching the whole training course. It would take you around just over an hour to go through the training course. They're not too lengthy. The longest video is about 15 minutes long. And it was very cool for me to watch the videos from David's perspective. I remember when I was starting, and David has got more experience than I do in this business model, right? And I was looking up to David. I still am, okay? I used to watch his reviews. I was so happy when I discovered his YouTube channels. He's got a few. And I remember when I was starting, I would just go and watch his review because I was curious to why, number one, he does high quality reviews. He always shows the members area and he does them himself and he shares his perspective and some additional tips and hacks and his own experience. So I remember I was so inspired by his reviews and I just found them so educational and so real. So good stuff, amazing vendor, guys. Before I show you all of the modules, let me just tell you that it is going live. I should have mentioned at the start. It is going live tomorrow, Wednesday, March the 5th of March, 9 a.m. New York time. And guys, from that time on, you will be able to pick it up via my written review, which you will find down below in the description box. Okay, and I put together this review in such a way that you have all of the information clearly and transparently displayed in front of your beautiful face. And so you can make an educated decision. As you can see, you have all of the funnel information here. And let me tell you something. The last time I recall reviewing David Mills' training course would have been about, well over a year ago. Okay. So he wasn't really launching in 2024 from my recollection, according to my knowledge. And I remember the last course I reviewed by him was around $17. So he would normally price his front end offers at $17, but this time he's doing like an experiment, okay? So, and he decided to lower the price, yet increase the quality, okay? So, because it's so fantastic, it's so thorough, it's so like easy to follow step by step, so comprehensive and informative that I believe it's gonna pretty much blow your socks off, okay? Especially, it's not for advanced marketers, it's for newbies, for people who have already wetted the feet into affiliate marketing game, but haven't had great results. So this training course is going to straighten your path, put you on the right path, okay? And if you stick to it, you will get results. But again, it all comes with time and effort. It should go without saying, especially for adults, not kiddos. I'm not talking to kiddos, but adults that, efforts equal results. Anyhow, back to my written review. So as you can see, you have some cool OTOs. I'm going to go through through the funnel a bit later after I've shown you the members area. My bonuses, this one you're going to love, is the YouTube channel customization. I thought I would give you this bonus. It's like half an hour video done by me on how to customize and optimize your YouTube channel. Not about uploading the video and customizing, optimizing an individual upload video, okay, that you upload, but the channel in general, okay? So I think you're gonna find it very handy, very helpful, informative, and it will complement this product beautifully because David doesn't talk about the general YouTube channel optimization. And there's another ultimate bonus from me. Okay, let's go and check out the members area. So as you can see, this is an overview, okay? Next video is the affiliate success mindset and the foundation. So before, this is a 14, but at the speed 1.2, it slashes it down to 12 minutes, okay? It is on Loom, I believe. That's where the videos are hosted. It's so cool that you can, speed them up like that. David talks fast, but with 1.2 speed, it's even faster, but not like crazy fast, so you can follow, don't worry. You can always slow them down if you find this speed too fast for you. But anyhow, let's get to it. So, before you start doing anything, you have to come with the right mindset, an adult mindset. So I'm not gonna get stuck here and talk about the mindset. I could, but I just want to show you the rest of the modules you'll have here. So to the left, number 3 is choosing the right offers to promote. And in this video, David, it's 16 minutes long. It's very thorough. David will go through various platforms, including, of course, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and some additional platforms, okay, where you can find high quality evergreen products. And he would just pinpoint what to pay attention to in terms of choosing the vendor, you want to support, the products you want to promote as an affiliate. Because choosing the right offer is obviously critical, okay, to your success and also to the brand, to your own personal brand. Because when you promote a product, you put your brand behind it, okay. And all right, so let's move on. Then next video is about creating your first simple review video, what screen recording software to choose. And in fact, David recommends the screen recording software I use. It used to be called Screencast-O-Matic. I've been using it since I started 4 years ago. And now it's called, is it ScreenPal? They changed the name, okay? You can get it for free. You can record up to 15 minutes long videos for free with not a watermark, but with sort of like a watermark, but at the end of the video. Okay. So that's already good enough. But with as little as $4 a month, you can upgrade to the deluxe or something like that, which gives you so many cool features. I totally love the screen recording software. And I was like so happy to find out that David also recommends that he mentions OBS, which is free and it's apparently very professional. But if you're not techie, if you're starting, I would recommend OBS. I remember when I was starting, I was, advised about that free software. I was trying to use it. It's too clunky. I agree with David. That's what he said as well. And no, even though it's free, I stay away from it. Alright, let's move on. Next video is about basic video optimization essentials. So as you can see, guys, this is about launch jacking, so promoting products, not just upcoming products. You can create videos or tutorials, helpful videos about evergreen products too, about recurring, about platforms that give you recurring commissions like autoresponders, different platforms, okay? Page builders, this and that. And using YouTube as a source of traffic. So that's cool. It's, the second search engine right in the world. So I would also highly recommend you guys to, start on YouTube and stick to it. It's great. Right. So, and then next one is uploading your YouTube video, scaling your results on, David goes into his YouTube channel in this last video and goes into the analytics, checking which of his videos have done best. And based on that information, he would create more similar videos to those ones which have done best. More tutorials, more this and that. He talks about that in that video, okay? So guys, amazing training course, of course, 100% done by David. It's not some obviously it's his voice, his face and all of that. I don't know, I even had to mention that, but yeah, there are all kinds of courses. Not all of them are high quality. Not all of them are as personal as this one, as real, okay? Right, going back to my written review, again, if you click through any of the so-called call to action buttons, you're gonna be taken to the sales page, not the checkout, the sales page, okay? So click through, and then you're buying from me. So you're also thank you so much. And you're also getting my bonuses. Okay, guys, and quickly through the funnel. So what do we have? So OTO number 1. Front end $12.95. The bump offer is very cool. Advanced affiliate tactics and templates for $14.95. So done for you templates and some exclusive affiliate marketing strategies. Sounds good. OTO number 1, Simple Commission Formula Pro for $27. It's actually extra case studies, premium strategies, advanced training. And if I well remembered, it's about making also not only faceless videos, but using the front end teaches you how to do faceless videos, so it's up to you if you want to stick your face on the camera like I do or not. You can just use your voice. If you don't want to use your voice, it's good to go through the front end, but then get the OTO number 1 and you will learn how to do pretty much the same, but without using your voice, okay? Just by using AI. Right, OTO number 2 is 2K in 3 days case study. So behind the scenes case study of how they've made $2,000 in 3 days. Okay, OTO number 3. I love all of these upsells. Okay, they're pretty promising and very congruent with the front end. OTO number 3, 37, Traffic Accelerator, traffic boosting method. How to get more views and more commissions. Who doesn't want more traffic? OTO number 4, reseller rights for $67. If you really love this product, this whole funnel, and you want to promote it, this is a good upsell to buy, because then if you sell it, you get 100% commission across the whole funnel. Okay, so this funnel I've just gone through. Right, guys, that's it. Love you and leave you guys. Again, check out the review. If that's for you, it's going live tomorrow. Pick it up. And also enjoy my bonuses. All right, bye.